Hey guys, so I'm actually starting the video in the back because the kids are still outside and it's so loud. We are gonna be doing a little series, okay guys? Where I live now is very bush up, okay? There's so much work to be done in the front and the back. Like, look, this is my backyard. It's like forest and trees everywhere. We're gonna be doing a little yard cleaning from here on out for the summer, but we're gonna start with the front. There are so many dandelions and the grass needs to cut, so today we're gonna work on the front, like I said, get the weeds out of the ground, dandelions out the ground, and just doing a little touch up out there, and then eventually we'll move on to the back and get some stuff done back here. If you're new to this channel, my name is Tasha. I do lifestyle, hair, vlogging, hygiene, all of that. I just felt like it would be interesting to show you guys how I'm going to be dealing with the backyard and the yard because I have a lot of yard space. There's so much cleaning up to do. I'm just going to take it a day at a time. I didn't really come in the yard till recently. It was just so cold. Now I'm really seeing what it's like back here and I'm like, there's so much to be done. At the same time, I'm learning, okay guys? So don't get at me too much. But yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of this content, the vibes outside. There's so many nice birds out here. They're always back here. Like I said, I am learning, so I want to get the hang of it. And these flies are back. I have to set up an incense because I ain't trying to eat these flies, and I feel like they go up in my nose and just everything. I'm just gonna head to the front. My mom's already out there. We got some of the weeds out of the ground already, and there's a bit more to do. Hopefully we can weed up the front and get the lawnmower going. This is what I bush up already with my mom. Even some big rooted ones over here. Are you getting it, Mom? Mm-hmm. These big ones that we took out. There's just so many dandelions everywhere. All the dandelions, you see? First time using this. I don't really do this stuff, guys. But it's pretty straightforward. Just plug it in. We want to do a lot more to it, obviously. My mom's friend, she said, gave her this. It should grow bigger. These solar lights are so good at nighttime. I always see my mom buy these like the dollar store and stuff. There's one here, but it's broken. Oh gosh, it's missing the stick part. And we'll probably do something over here. Probably plant some flowers. Mom, you want to plant like flowers here and stuff? We have to clean up like over here.
Yeah, you can plant flowers there.
Yeah. So yeah, we should do some planting here. Stubborn. I don't know if you noticed at first, but it was so hard for me to get the smaller weeds out. It's so much easier to get like the bigger ones out. I got a lot of them out the ground. See, like these big ones, these are much easier to weed out of the ground. But we're just gonna clean up here. Pretty much a lot of the weeds came out. We're gonna go on this side. You gotta like twist that one. See?
This one is really big. See? Came out.
See, Mom got this big one out the ground. Whoa, that's a big root on that one. What is all of that? Whoa, that was a big one, Mom. I have to put back a lot of dirt into the ground when we're done. Because there's going to be a lot of holes in the ground.
Oh, it didn't come up.
Gotta step on it, Mom. Oh, got it? So there's a lot in this corner right here. the grass bags. We still have to weed this part here, and I was thinking we could have got so much done today, but you see, when you're new to this, you don't realize that things actually do take a lot of time. Mom is still over here weeding by the tree. This part here, it's a bit hard. I'm wondering if there was something here. I noticed I can't go too deep. I'm gonna try and get up as much stuff as I can here. It looks like there's some type of pipe thing going on. The bag is like halfway. So this is all from today. This is the yard, and then next we're gonna have to just mow the lawn. We're gonna clear up what we can clear up that we weeded out so far. There was a big one right here, guys. I was like waiting to get it out. Almost forgot about it. It's so big, I feel like pieces still in there. Probably get that out before, but it's like, you know, when we think we're done, there's just so much more. So we're just gonna clear up these bits here and we will be back.